Hi, and welcome to English Listening World Intensive Listening Podcast. I'm Les Paris, and I'd like to bring some of my 20 plus years of teaching experience to help you become a better English listener. Today we're going to talk about sentence number 4 from the Sarah's Morning Story. Let's listen 3 times to this sentence to begin with. She starts making fresh coffee. She starts making fresh coffee. She starts making fresh coffee. Good. Now, this sentence is quite straightforward. I'd like to talk about reductions, liaison, and consonant clusters after rhythm. So we'll start with the rhythm. Okay. Number 1, rhythm. I'd like to keep it simple. Let's say English has a constant rhythm. She starts making fresh coffee. She starts making fresh coffee. She starts making fresh coffee. So it sounds like we've got basically 2 strong words there. Starts, fresh. Okay. Now there's a third one there, coffee. It's fairly clear to hear. However, if we keep it simple and say English has a constant rhythm, then it becomes a little bit easier to see there's 2 main beats. Okay? You could say she starts is strong, fresh is strong. Some people would say coffee is also strong. But let's keep it simple. Regular rhythm. She starts making fresh coffee. Okay, and coffee's going to be a little bit faster in there because it's a little weaker. Now, after that, there's not too much to talk about in this sentence. Reductions, there's no significant reductions. Liaisons, there's nothing significant happening here. Each word is fairly clear to hear. There are some consonant clusters. Starts plus making. The end of starts is a t and a s, and then making is a m. Sm, sm, artsm, arts make, tarts make, tarts make, starts make, starts make, starts making. Okay? That's one of the consonant clusters. The next one is with the end of making and the beginning of fresh. Making. F, fr, fr, ing fr, king fret, king fret, aching fret, making fret, making fresh, making fresh. And we get that consonant cluster that is a little difficult for some other language speakers. Okay, now we've covered all the difficult points that could come up in the sentence. Now let's get into shadowing. I'm going to say the sentence 3 times for your shadowing. Let's see, here we go. 3, 2, 1. She starts making fresh coffee. She starts making fresh coffee. She starts making fresh coffee. Good. 3 times. 3 times is nowhere near enough practice. To get that real intonation, the rhythm, the consonant clusters going, you want to train your mouth to say it, then your ear can hear it easier. As your mouth gets better, your ear gets better. As your ear gets better, your mouth gets better. So, you want to shadow this about 20 times a day until you've really mastered it. And you can do that easily on the English Listening World website. You'll find a link in the description below. That's about it for today. I'd like to thank you for listening and good luck with your listening homework.